Gonna try the Tornado on a B64 rocket designed to spin on the way up, and it'll be recovering on a 12-inch streamer. Okay, whenever you're ready. Way it went. Seemed a little overpowered for it, but it came right back nicely right here. Looks to be all in one piece. Go ahead. Perfect.
So the launch goes well enough, but as soon as the power comes off, you'll notice it tumbles wrong. So I've already got a larger version of this rocket made. It will be interesting to see what happens there, so stay tuned in the future for that.